Why is this back cover so hard to remove? It's not our disassembly skill problem. This upcoming Vivo X300s is really hard to open. It refreshed my understanding of the X series. After teardown, I found many upgrades, especially in waterproofing and internal build. The internal structure is very solid. Now let's go straight to the teardown. Turn off heat, remove SIM tray, and slide open the back cover. The Vivo X300s back cover takes a lot of effort to remove. There is thick waterproof glue and extra sealing around the lens and edges. The back cover is cold cut glass with smooth lens transition. This is the internal structure of X300s. The 3-section layout remains strong. A large heat dissipation sticker covers the back. 40W wireless charging coil in the middle. Remove the left bracket stack. Wireless charging mic sensor and upper speaker are integrated together. Speaker uses Resin 115 for louder sound. Now remove the camera module. Ultra-wide and front use Samsung JN1. Main camera is Samsung HPB 1.1-inch sensor. Telephoto uses Sony LYT602 with OIS. Supports telephoto macro and anti-shake. Shielding is used to block signal interference. Specs are close to Vivo X300, but interface is inspired by X300 Ultra. New filter panel and advanced controls added. Here are some camera samples. Now the main highlight. X300s motherboard uses dual-layer stack. Multi-channel flash on front. Large copper heat dissipation area. Main camera directly contacts frame. Telephoto fixed to motherboard. This ensures better stability. Back of motherboard. Has multiple copper heat layers. Under the film is Dimensity 9500. Now remove the bottom board. Amplifier and X-axis motor integrated. Better stereo sound performance. Uses Resin 1115 bottom speaker. Balanced top and bottom sound. Motor upgraded to 7514 model. Tail plug has waterproof rubber ring. USB 3.2 Gen 1 with 5 gigabits per second speed. Supports 90W fast charging. Battery uses quick removal design. 7,100 mAh battery capacity. Larger VC cooling than X200s. Extra thermal paste on processor. More waterproof sealing and integration. Better motherboard and battery space. Improved speakers and cooling system. These details are often unnoticed. Overall upgrade is impressive. Comment your thoughts below. See you in the next video.